This conference will now be recorded.
So is it clear to you, and do you have any questions or doubts regarding last session?
Yeah, I'm clear on last session.
Perfect. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at a new topic called as load manager.
Okay.
You know, right, why the load manager is being used?
One second.
You're going to start your managed service.
So do you want to start the managed servers?
No, I just wanted to start the admin server, and my question is, do you know why do we use load manager?
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you, but I'm missing some audio while you're talking.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. So do you know why do we use load manager?
Yeah, to start the to control the managed servers from admin console.
Perfect. You can control the managed server from the admin console. That is the reason why we use load manager. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
load manager is machine specific.
Node manager is what?
Machine specific.
Okay.
Okay. So what do you mean by machine? Machine means nothing but a physical or individual host. Okay. Now this laptop, this virtual machine Ubuntu is one machine. Okay.
Yes.
The one that I'm using is one machine.
Okay.
So basically what we do, every managed server, okay, every managed server is hosted on a machine, right?
Yes.
So wherever or whichever machine my managed server is, so over there we need to create and configure a node manager.
Okay.
Okay, so wherever my managed server is, I need to configure a node manager over there.
Okay.
Yeah. Now let's say, for an example, I have two managed servers on one machine. Okay, and I have three managed servers on my servers on my machine. So according to the way I have told you about node manager, what do you think? How many node managers should be there on your system, on my system?
Can you repeat it if possible?
Your system has two managed servers.
Yeah.
Your Ubuntu has two managed servers. My
Okay.
CentOS has three managed servers.
Okay.
So how many node manager
Okay.
will I use?
I need two. You have to need three. Like we have to. Yeah. For each managed server, we need a each node manager.
No, that's what I told you earlier. We will
Okay.
not, for each managed server, we don't need a node manager. For
Okay.
each machine, we need a node manager. Now on
Okay.
that machine, there can be 100 managed servers.
Yeah.
Getting it? On
Yes.
that machine, there can be 100 managed servers.
So if I
So
configure two managed servers from my machine, I just need only one.
even if you configure 100 managed servers on your machine, you will need only one.
Okay.
Because node manager is machine specific.
Okay.
Yeah. Node manages machine specific.
Okay.
Perfect. So let's go and look at the configuration. It is very important. Okay. So log into your admin console.
One second. I'm making some notes. Okay.
Yes, yes.
I think I have some problem.
Did you not shut down your virtual machine?
I have restored today. I have from morning. It's not restarted from today morning.
Can you please maximize it?
I'm sorry.
Can you close those?
It's not taking.
Not closing?
Not closing. Maybe I have to restart the
Yeah,
Ubuntu.
reset. Yeah, reset it. Or can you access this from your Windows machine?
No, even I cannot do that.
We saw that, right? Disabling the firewall the other day.
Yes, but I cannot access this even from. I have tried today.
Okay. You'll have to again disable that.
Okay.
Oh, not like this. Not like this. IP address.
No. It's not like this. It's a different one. I have hosted my local machine, my Windows machine. This is.
Hmm.
Shankar, we will be having some discussion on WLST is how to automate the tasks on WLST, right? Scripts like.
Yes, I can tell you about that.
Okay.
Because few things we will be doing using WLST.
Okay.
Okay, like this node manager. Here
Okay.
WLST involvement is there because you cannot complete node manager configuration without WLST.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So did you take training from Edureka as well?
Sorry.
Do you take training from Edureka as well?
I took DevOps, some basic DevOps from Edureka long ago.
Okay. Edureka is a very big name in training.
Yeah.
Was that a lady who gave the training?
No, Manoj. His name is Manoj. He's from Bangalore.
Bangalore. And how much did they charge you for DevOps?
They have charged like $300.
Yeah.
There are many people with them, like around 40, 30
In one
people.
session,
Yeah, correct.
the batch.
Yes.
Obviously, Biblioteca is a very big name.
Yeah. I don't know why it's.
So what they taught you in DevOps?
Firstly they have gone through the Git and GitHub, and second is Jenkins.
Okay.
Um, and after Jenkins, they moved to Docker,
Mhm.
Ansible, uh, and some part of Kubernetes, and some testing automation, Selenium automation.
Okay. And how much it was for a whole 1 month course?
I have took like weekends.
Mhm.
It's like 11 classes,
Okay. So how many hours in weekend?
3 hours in weekend.
So you won't be able to start it because you restarted your virtual machine, so admin server is down.
Yes.
You need to start your admin server. You need to start your admin server. It is down.
Yeah, I'm. My machine is too much slow. I don't know why.
No, you are doing too many things. First, you should have patience. When you have started your admin server, you should wait for the admin server. 63% is utilized.
Yeah. I'm closing some other things.
Use only one virtual machine at a time.
Yeah.
Yes. So it has not started it. It is still starting.
Yes. Shankar, you are there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, my admin is console is up.
Perfect. So can you please click on machines on the left hand side?
Yeah.
Okay, now click on new. Sorry, guys.
It's okay. No problem.
Okay, so here you need to give the machine name. Machine name can be anything. Basically, it is given to us, whatever the machine name is. Okay, this
Okay.
machine name we don't have to do anything with that. Okay,
Okay.
just have to give the name. Machine OS is also doesn't matter, but it's better if you are using Unix. So let's give Unix. Next, this is an important configuration in this screen now.
Okay.
This is our node manager configuration. Okay, type
Yeah.
by default is SSL. Okay, if you select SSL, then the default certificates are used.
Okay.
Okay, which comes as a vulnerability later.
Okay.
Okay, and why do we use node manager? Just to control the admin server,
Yeah.
right? So just to control the admin server, why do I need SSL? Sorry, control the managed servers.
Manage
Why
server.
do you need SSL? So basically SSL is being used for internal communication, right? So rather we use plain for this. Okay, instead of SSL, we use plain. In
Okay.
the top type SSL, just make it plain. If you don't use, it will still be in SSL, but it will use default certificates. In real-time
Okay.
environment, if you use default certificate, what happens? It is counted as a vulnerability.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Listen
Okay.
address should be the listen address where you are hosting this node manager. Basically, the listen address of your managed server, right?
Yes.
So we have given listen address for managed server also the same IP address, right?
Yes. Correct. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the default port of node manager. Managed types let it be as it is. Just finish. Okay. Okay. Now again click on the machine that you created. No, don't activate the changes. Machine that you created. Okay. Now you have simply created the machine, but now you will have to add the managed servers here, telling that this node manager is going to manage this managed server, control this managed server. Okay.
Correct.
If you
Okay.
see if there is a server tab, servers tab. Now here add your managed server. MS1. Next. Next. Add one more, which is a MS2 because we will control. No. Yeah. One
Can
more.
I add?
Yes. So you cannot do this activity if your managed servers is up and running.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
to add your managed servers either in a node manager or in a cluster, you need to your managed
Stop.
servers have to be shut down. It should be stopped. Yes. Now
Oh.
just
Oh.
activate the changes. It's done. Activate the changes, and you see there is a monitoring tab, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah. After activating the changes, just click on that monitoring tab. Yeah. So you will be able to stop and start your managed server from the console once you see this status over here as active
Please.
or reachable.
Okay.
Okay, otherwise we won't be able to do that. Now we have done step number 1. Okay, step number 2. Okay, check the configuration file of node manager. Now where is node manager home directory? In the training home location in 12C. So go back, go to your putty. Oh, you did not start it in no up mode.
No, I have started it. Oh, okay. One second.
Open new terminal. No, duplicate tab.
Okay. Okay.
No, don't do like this. Close this. Duplicate that.
I was in a hurry, so
No, that's fine. We can use multiple tabs you want, right? This is Unix, not Windows.
uh,
Perfect. Here you will see a node manager directory. This is the node manager home directory for your 12C. Now if
also,
you see node manager properties is here. Okay. So
okay.
you open, now in 11G, understand one thing, in 11G, this property files is not generated. It is only generated once you restart your node manager.
Oh, okay.
Okay. In 11G, this property file is not generated. It will only generate once you restart your node manager. Okay.
Okay.
So can you please open that properties file? VI node manager properties. Okay. So if you see here, secure listener is what? Secure listener is true. We just need to make it false.
1 second. Okay, this thing. Okay.
Yes. Also, if you see the listen address is localhost, whereas what we gave,
Oh, 92. So
yes,
we.
change
Okay.
that. Yes. So this is what it comes by default. This true and that thing will come by default. So change that as well. Listen address to just escape and go there and change it to IP address. Because what will happen? Local address it will not listen to localhost.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now start it.
Can I
Now
ask
what
you
happens? Go ahead.
why do we change this to false or
What did we
secure?
select?
Okay,
Yes.
we have selected the
We selected
plain.
plain.
Yes.
Yes. And when you and if you don't select it to false, if you make it as true, by default your node manager starts in SSL.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha.
Okay, so now you make it plain, it will start in plain. Why not just start the node manager? Don't use no hub mode. Just start, go back, go to bin directory. Yeah, just start your node manager.
So this node manager, that domain is a configuration of the what we have created in the admin server.
I will tell you. I'll tell you what is node manager. Okay, can you
Okay.
see this plain topic is just started?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Actually, when you start directly, it will start in SSL because
Okay.
what was this? Your listener was equal to true, right? By default.
Yeah.
That's the reason we change it to false.
Plain. Plain.
Yeah,
Okay.
perfect. Now
So
just come on.
this is communication. This is a communication between the node manager and the admin server, right? This.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So just do Control C. Now next step is to enroll the node manager with the domain. So let's say for an example, I want to control MS1 and MS2.
Okay.
Okay, but now for my node manager, whatever I have configured now, to control MS1 and MS2, I need to enroll that domain of MS1 and MS2, whatever the domain is, with the node manager.
Okay.
Okay, so to enroll that domain, we need WLS2. There is no other way apart from that. Okay,
Okay.
so we
Okay.
will have to now invoke WLS2. So go inside Oracle common view. There is we have the WLS2 scripting tool. Okay, so if you see there, they call it WLS2.sh.
Yeah.
Now there are two ways through which you can connect to this WLST when you are using directly. So we'll look at the both ways first.
So this is one of the way, right?
No, this is the only way. Okay. Whatever you see people automate that stuff and call that .py file. Okay, that py file also does the same thing.
Okay, yeah, it obviously picks this thing.
Yes, because without this you cannot do anything. What it does basically, to run WLST, you need to set the class path. Okay, you run WLST, you set the class path. So this script sets the class path and takes it to the WLST process. Okay. So if your class path is not set, you won't be able to connect to WLST. So this sets the class path. You will see. Once it proceeds, you will see.
So this sets the class path of domain home or what?
No, it sets the class path for WLST.
Okay. All right.
Okay, now you see it says WLST offline.
Yeah.
Right? Now we have to make it online. So there are two ways, because to enroll any domain or do any activity using WLST, you have to be online. Okay. Now there are two ways to connect to your admin server. Number one, just write connect, open bracket, open round, no, don't use space. No, don't use space, open round bracket. In single quotes, with your WebLogic admin username. In single quotes, your WebLogic admin username. Single quotes finish, comma, space.
Can you repeat it? I'm sorry, I cannot.
Yeah, single quotes finish, comma, space. No, single quotes you already finished. Hold on. Comma, space. Again in single quotes, your admin password. Comma, space. In single quotes, your admin URL using T3 protocol. In single quotes. Perfect. Single quotes finish. No. Single quotes finish. Why will you not give /console? You are giving /console, right? So I said no, we don't want it. So now I want to know why I don't need to give /console.
Because we are only giving the listen address. We only need the listen address.
Yes, we don't need to access the console.
Okay.
Yeah, and bracket close. Enter. All right. So you are in your config now. You're done. So this is one way to connect. Next way is interactive way. So come out of WLST, just type exit, open bracket, close bracket. Okay. Again up arrow and enter. So this is in a single go. Next is using interactive mode. Enter.
So as we are accessing with just the HTTP protocol, it's not an SSL, right? So it is giving this. Yeah,
that is not error.
Yeah. Just
that is warning.
Yeah.
When there is an error, okay, when there is an error, it will not allow you to do anything.
Okay.
You can very safely ignore warnings even in the logs. Okay, there are issues, the warnings can be safely ignored.
Okay.
Okay, so the next way interactive mode to connect is connect, open bracket, close bracket, enter.
So
Yes, you need to give your URL, right?
yeah. So do I need to give any braces?
No,
Oh,
nothing. This is interactive mode. Whatever it has given you as an example, you have to give that.
oh,
Your local host or whatever your IP address, whatever.
oh, okay.
Perfect. Okay, these are
Yeah.
the two ways through which you can connect to WNST. Okay,
Okay.
now
Okay.
here you have to enroll the domain. Okay, so to enroll the domain, command is N as in November, M as in Mumbai, capital E, NROLL, enroll, NROLL, enroll. Okay, NM enroll is the command. Okay,
Okay.
open bracket, in single quotes, give your domain home directory. In
Okay.
single quotes, give your domain home directory. Open one more terminal. Okay, it's there. Perfect. Single quotes finish, comma space, comma space.
Do I have to close the braces? No, right.
No,
Okay.
no,
Okay.
comma. I said right, comma
Okay.
space. Again in single quotes, you have to give your node manager home directory. So
Okay.
just copy that slash node manager. Yeah. Uh, Single quotes finish and close the bracket and enter.
Okay.
Perfect. What does it say? Successfully
Successfully enrolled.
enrolled.
Okay.
Okay. Now I have a question for you.
Sure.
Okay. Now let's say on this server, I have three domains.
Okay.
Okay, training one, training two, training three. And each domain has two managed servers.
Okay.
Okay. Each domain has two managed servers. So in that case, how many node manager will I have?
We have three. Three.
Okay.
Each for
So
each
how
domain.
how three? How and why three?
So as we have three domains, we have to create three node managers independent on the managed servers
Why? Come out
because
of it. Come out of
because
it. Come out of it. Okay.
because as
Go
we are
back.
host.
Hold on. Go back two directories back. Enter. Enter. LS availability. Now what okay, go back again. Okay, now what difference do you see here? So my this middleware home directory is one, but if you see only the training directory will be different. It will be user projects, domains, training one, domains, training two, domains, training three.
Correct. Yeah.
Right? Only the
Yeah.
domain directly will be different. Rest my middleware home directory will be same.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Then how will you have three domains?
Mhm. Yes, you are right. We just need one because as we have a one middleware home, we can enroll
No,
the.
no. Your first answer is correct.
Right.
Okay. So this is what the difference is between your node manager home 11G and 12C. Okay. In 11G, your node manager home directory resides inside middleware home.
Okay.
Okay. That is the reason only one node manager will control three domains. So because you will enroll every domain the way that we did.
Okay.
Okay. So what will be the change in nm command? Only the domain directory will be changed. Rest, the node manager home directory will remain same.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Right?
So yeah, I see. So even we in the 12C also we have the node manager configuration here only, right?
Where?
So okay. So as you were saying in 11G, so the node managers would be out of the domain as
Yes,
we
it
have.
will not be in the domain directory. It will
Okay.
be in Oracle middleware WL server common node manager.
Okay.
Now here it is inside user projects.
Correct.
There
Yeah.
it is in under, so only one node manager will be there. You just have to enroll different domains.
Okay.
Okay, as many domains here you have to enroll that many domains, so that only one manager will control all that particular domains managed servers.
Okay.
Okay, if you go to WL server,
So we
yeah,
haven't.
here inside
We
common, inside common we used to have the node manager home directory in 11G or up to
okay.
11G. Okay, so you have this what you call it as 11G installer as well, right? We can just install that as well so that we can compare these things.
Okay.
Just we will not use it, but just for installation purpose I'm saying. Okay,
Sure.
so this was what in 11G, but in 12C, yes, you will need to configure different node manager because your node manager now resides in that inside the domain directory.
Okay.
Okay, now you asked me a question, right? What is that node manager domains, right?
Hmm.
Please go inside that node manager home directory. Okay, so just open that node manager domain cat. So 5.
Okay.
So you have the training domain that you have enrolled. Okay,
Hmm.
now in 11G, what will happen? As many domains you enroll, that many domains entry will be in that domains file, node manager domains file,
Okay. Okay.
because the node manager is common over there.
Correct.
Here,
Yes.
node
Yes.
manager is specific to specific domain. Did you get the
Yes.
point?
Yeah, I got it. Yes.
Perfect, perfect. So now is our node manager running?
No.
Please start the node manager now. Now start it in no hub mode. Yes, enter, tail space hyphen f no hub dot out immediately. Okay, started. Now please go to your console and please go to that monitoring page.
I have to find a way to access my console from outside.
So I think you need to disable the firewall. We saw that day, right? We'll do that. Let's
Yeah.
look at this. Okay. Just click on configuration and click on monitoring again. Click on configuration and click on monitoring again. Okay. Click on configuration and then again click on monitoring. Look at this, it is reachable. Now you can start your manager from the console. Okay, click on servers, control, select both the manage servers, start.
So what will happen if we have not configured or boot.properties while accessing the node while we starting the node manage server from the admin console?
No, if you are using node manager, right?
Yeah, if we
It
are
will
using.
copy it. It will copy it. It will copy that boot properties to every managed servers that node manager is controlling.
So copy which booter properties from admin because
From
it
admin,
was
yes, yes. Because see, to create for admin is mandatory,
okay.
right? Because okay, now I say that you can stop admin server using your node manager.
Okay.
Listen to me carefully. Okay, we can stop admin server using node manager. However, you cannot start admin server using node manager. Why?
Uh, because obviously we don't have the access to admin console to start the admin server from the node manager, right?
Yes. So node manager can only be functional once you have the admin console.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So yes. So when you start the managed server, if you are not configured boot.properties file, it will copy that boot.properties from admin server to each managed server, and it will start.
Okay.
So can you disable firewall? Go there, over there. Just a moment. Disable. Yours is Ubuntu, right?
Yes.
Disable firewall and Ubuntu.
I think service UFW.
Yours
Actually,
is
as we are accessing using the SSH from outside, it will obviously disable the firewall, right? Otherwise, I
no, no, no,
cannot.
no, 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 no. SSH uses this thing, port 22.
Yeah. At the starting, as soon as I installed the Ubuntu, I cannot access the party session. The SSH. I did something like I have disabled service UFW or something.
Become root and just type UFW space status. Enter.
It says inactive.
Inactive. Yeah, you should be able to access it, man. Okay, do one thing. Open your services.msc windows.
Okay.
Okay, here Windows Firewall. W, just type W. Do you have Windows Firewall? Windows Defender Firewall. Yeah, can you stop it? No. Windows Firewall, yeah. Maybe that could be the reason. Because it is exactly the same in my case also. No, no, don't do anything. Don't do anything.
Okay.
So the connection timeout, it says. Then open your virtual machine settings.
Yeah, it's running. Okay.
It's running. Virtual machine settings. Network proxy connected. Okay, wired. VPN network proxy is off. That's correct. You don't need network proxy. Okay, close your virtual machine. Now we are done with we are not going to take any other topic. Yeah, it was node manager is running. Do you have any questions in node manager?
No.
Okay, just close this and now go to the settings of this virtual machine. Go to the settings of this virtual machine. Okay, network. It is NAT. Uh, Host bridge. Bridge will also give you the same thing. Man. Not okay. Open your CMD in Windows. ipconfig/all space/all space/all all A double L
All okay.
slash
Slash.
all enter. Okay, wireless LAN. So your IP address 192.168 wireless LAN and adapter Wi-Fi. Okay, and Ethernet adapter VMware 192.60.80.1. Okay, and scroll little up. Okay, this is VMware network adapter 6836.1. Okay, scroll up. Up. Scroll up to the first one. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. So 192.56.1. This is Ethernet over VirtualBox host only. Okay. So what IP address we are giving over there?
192.168.253.4. I don't see it.
253.4. Okay, can you give 192.68.56. Can you go to the logs of admin server? I think
Okay.
we won't be able to access it. And can you select the settings of first host at Eureka host VM? Select the setting of first host. Yeah, settings of first host here. Go to network.
1 second.
Eureka, no, don't start Eureka. Don't start Eureka. Skip.
Actually, I have clicked it. 1 second.
Okay. Just close that. Below there is a close button. Yeah. Settings. Power up. Yes. Just go to settings. Network. It is NAT. Then why it is saying host only? I don't understand. Okay. Adapter. Hold on. Yeah. Adapter virtual host only Ethernet adapter 2. Okay. And go to Ubuntu. The other one. Settings. Yeah. Go to network adapter 2. VirtualBox host only Ethernet adapter 2. Perfect. So okay. Now start your admin server. It's running, right? Start your admin server.
Yeah.
Just restart. Oh, it has taken some different IP address, right?
Maybe I have to check it. Yeah.
-A. Small a, small a. So every time this changes.
No, I have keep it as static.
Mhm. Why it is taking this IP address 54.149?
I think I don't know why. Because even if I have accessing the other server also whenever I can, it is showing the same thing.
Hmm.
The party one. Now we have changed it.
Okay, become root. Start your admin server. And don't use no hub, okay? Just start like this.
Okay.
WebLogic, WebLogic.
Now it has changed some local address.
Yes, yes. Okay, just a moment. Open your this thing, CMD. That go to that CMD. Okay, just one. Not this, not this. No, not this. Scroll up. Ethernet adapter host one. It says right. No, not this one. Yeah, network two. Host only network. Okay, it is 56.1. Okay, 192.68. Okay, 192.16.253.1.
You can use browsing there.
Yes, try that. 1. No, no. Can you try the 10.2.0.15? 10.2.0.5. What is that? 10.2. What is that? Just check that. 10.2. In the logs, admin server logs. 10.0.2.15. 5 it was 1 by.
Yeah, it's correct.
Yes. Need to check one because if you using CentOS, it's a visible firewall, we are able to access it.
Okay.
Yes, but this Ubuntu, never use Ubuntu, but it says inactive, right?
Yeah.
Still, why it is? Because I'm just looking at this doc. If it says inactive, then that's fine.
You cannot get to this.
Okay, Nes, I'll ask my guys, my friends who are Linux expert to see if they can help me out in this. Okay, I'll let you know.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure, Shankar. Yeah,
So
I'll
we'll
see
meet
you.
tomorrow and we'll start with this topic.
Sure, Shankar. Thank
Okay,
you.
sure, man. Thanks,
Yeah.
Ravi. Good night.
Yeah.
Bye. Take care.